Hey guys, welcome to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to build a legit online course. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. You might be wondering, why is an online course considered legit when it's making money? Well, the legitimacy stems from the value you provide to your students. When your course delivers real knowledge and helps students achieve their goals, it becomes a valuable resource and people are willing to invest in that value. I'll guide you through the process of building a legit online course and making money on Udemy, the go to platform for online course creators. Now, you might be wondering, why choose Udemy among the array of platforms? Well, after browsing the web for different options, Udemy consistently emerges as the go to choice for many online course creators. The reasons are aplenty. With a colossal student base, a user friendly interface, and a robust reputation, Udemy offers a platform to showcase your expertise to a global audience. Their promotional tools and revenue sharing model provide substantial earning potential. Furthermore, Udemy's extensive resources and dedicated support for instructors ensure that you are well equipped with the tools and knowledge you need to thrive. So, before we dive into the details, let's talk about the foundation about selecting your course topic. So every successful course begins with a solid idea that resonates with your expertise and your audience aspirations. So you can see and hear the featured topics by category by Udemy. So take time to consider your own strengths and passions. Research the market to identify what are the trending topics and gaps in existing courses. Ultimately, your chosen topic should provide a real value to your potential students, addressing a specific pain point or helping them achieve a desired outcome. Now to begin, just click on Start Teaching Today. Now on this page, it will give you a brief overview on what you will become as an instructor and change lives, including your own in Udemy. So there are many reasons to start, and here if you scroll down, you'd be able to see and hear the how to begin steps. As you can see, there are three steps to begin in Udemy. First is to plan your curriculum, then right after record your video, and then launch your course. Now to sign up for this platform, you'll just need to scroll down and just click on Get Started. Then you'd be able to see the screen wherein it asks you for your information, such as your full name, email, and password. And then you'll just need to fill in all of those details and then click sign up to proceed. Right after that, you'd be able to see a page wherein Udemy asks you certain information. So we'll just need to answer them honestly and then click on continue to proceed. Now it's time to create your course. Now just click on create your course button. Then right after, you'd be redirected to a page wherein it asks you certain questions regarding onto what type of course that you're making. So you have the option for practice test or course. Let's click on course in here and then continue. Now it needs you to add in a working title. You don't have to worry regarding this one since you can change it later. Now let's put in here the sample title. So how to build an online course, how to build a legit online course. Then right after that, you'll just need to click on continue. Now on this part, it asks you a category that best fit your course. Next is the time you spend on creating a course. There is no wrong answer for this, so just answer honestly so that Udemy can help you achieve your goal. Then click on create course. Now with your topic in hand, it's time to outline your course. A well-structured course sets the stage for a successful learning journey. By crafting clear learning objectives, organizing your content effectively, and creating comprehensive outlines, you'll provide a seamless and engaging experience for your students. Consider breaking down your content into logical sections that follow a coherent flow. Each section should have a clear purpose and contribute to the overall learning goals of the course. As you create your lecture outlines, think about the key concepts you want to cover and the best way to convey them to your students. And as you can notice in here, Udemy already broke down all of those concepts so that it would be easier for you to finish your course. So we're just gonna follow this one through so that we would be able to create a successful course. So let's start off on what will students learn in your course. So you must enter at least 4 learning objectives or outcomes in here so that learners can expect to achieve after completing your course. So in here, you can only see 4 learning objectives, but you can add more to your response. Up next, we have here the requirements or prerequisites for taking the course. And since the course that we're making is for beginners, so let's add in here no experience needed. Now, for who is this course for? Let's add in here beginners in creating a legit online course. Then click Save right after, and then we'll head into the other Plan Your Course, which is the course structure. Onto this part, it will give you some tips onto how to plan your course correctly. So make sure to review all of those details so that you could provide your students a well-structured course that sets the stage for a successful learning journey. Next up is to set up and test your video. So it is important to get your audio and video set up correctly because it's much more difficult to fix your videos after you've recorded. So into this part, you'd be able to see some tips or creative ways to use what you have to create a professional looking video. So feel free to scream through all of the details in here so that you'd be able to see the different tips that they offer. Now we're headed on to the next part, which is create your content. In here, you can see that there are 4 steps for this: to film and edit, curriculum, captions, and accessibility. So, creating a top notch content is pivotal in delivering a remarkable course. Your students are investing their time and trust, so it is essential to present visually appealing and knowledge packed videos. So, set up a dedicated recording space free from distractions and background noise, and acquire a good quality equipment, including a high definition camera and a professional microphone, to ensure clear video and audio. So, during the recording process, maintain a conversational yet informative tone, and effective video editing is also crucial. Trim any unnecessary pauses or mistakes to keep the content engaging and concise. So just like the other steps, these steps also includes different tips, so make sure to review it all so that you would be able to achieve and create a high quality content. Now onto the last part. With your course content polished, it's time to publish on Udemy, the premier platform for online learning. So this process is designed to be user-friendly, so you'll just need to follow in the prompts in there and the steps, since this is just a straightforward process. So they will ask you different questions in there. You could upload in the course image and then the promotional videos and also your instruction profile. So you'll just need to follow all those steps so that you could go ahead and check onto the pricing. Now onto this part, you'll need to select the price tier of your course below and then click Save. The list price that students will see in other currencies is determined using the price tier matrix. So if you intend to offer your course for free, the total length of the video content must be less than 2 hours. Now, lastly, you can add in a course image so that you would be able to welcome or congratulate your students right after they are done with the course. And lastly, you'll just need to submit your course for review. And as we conclude this tutorial, you're now equipped with the knowledge to create and sell an authentic online course on Udemy, reaping the rewards of your efforts. Remember, the legitimacy of your course emanates from the value you provide to your students. By adhering to the steps and harnessing the power of Udemy's platform, you're embarking on a rewarding journey to establish a flourishing online teaching venture. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and best of luck onto your teaching journey.